how to create API key on Google AI Studio. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to, of course, open our browser. And then once we open our browser, on the search bar, just search for aistudio.google.com. After that, just click on enter, and then you will be redirected into this website. So what we're going to do next is to, of course, make sure that you are logged in into your account, which is located on the bottom left corner of the screen. And then same goes for that one. You will also see the get API key, which is right here. So just click on that. And then once you are now here, you will be able to see create API key on the upper right corner of the screen. So once you click create API key right there, you can now name your key right here. So let's see, for example, this will be our key for this one. And then for the project, we're going to click on that. You can either import or create your project. So I'm going to click on create project right there. And then for the name of the project, we're also going to name this example, and then click create project right there. After that, what we're going to do is to click create key right here. And then after that, you will now be able to see your API key right here. So if you click the copy API key right there, you will now be able to copy it and then of course paste it into your project. And then if you now go here on the billing, you will now be able to set up your billing right here. Same goes for the rate limit and then of course the usage. So going back into this part, so if you click the view more actions, which is right here, or the three dots, you can actually rename and delete your key. So if you want to check the API key information right here, you can just click this one right here, and then you will now be able to see the API key, the name, the project name, and then of course the project number. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to create API key on Google AI Studio.